We'll guide you through how to print a ChatGPT conversation easily. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website where your conversation is located. Once you have the conversation open that you want to print, the next step is to highlight the entire conversation. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the text to select it all. After everything is highlighted, right-click on the selected text and choose Copy from the menu. Now, open a word processing application like Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Paste the copied conversation into a new document by right-clicking in the document area and selecting Paste. You can also use the shortcut keys Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac to paste quickly. Once your conversation is in the document, you can adjust the formatting if needed, such as changing the font size or style to your liking. When you're ready to print, go to the File menu and select Print. Review your print settings to ensure everything looks good, like selecting the correct printer and checking the page orientation. Finally, click on Print to send your document to the printer. And there you have it, your ChatGPT conversation is now printed. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.